Hello to you students. This video will see how to cite our publications with the help of Google Scholar. So Google Scholar is a popular database for indexing the publications. So what I'm going to do is to add a Google Scholar button. So you need to search Google Scholar button and click on the first link. After that, you need to add that the Chrome. You see this type of interface and just say add to Chrome. After some time it will be added to Chrome and add extension. So you can see that it is downloaded over here, and what you need to do after that is just click on it and you see Google Scholar button has been added to the Chrome. Now consider an example where I want to cite an article from the Scholar. So scholar.google.com. I want to cite an article related to blockchain. So just type blockchain. Consider I want to cite this article in a particular form. So you can have an article over anywhere, like if you have the title of the article with you and you need to cite that to your content. So what you need to do is just click on the extension in Google Scholar button. So you'll see a Google Scholar thing is opened over here, and it is the article that we want to cite. So just by clicking on cite, you can cite the article in any of the format that is matching with your criteria, the publication. Like you can use MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, and Vancouver. Even you can check the BibTeX, EndNote, and RefWorks also. So if I want to check the BibTeX format, so just by clicking on the BibTeX, I'll get the BibTeX format of references for this particular publication. So this is the way with which we directly can open the references. I hope this video is useful to you. If you find it useful, do like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.